Yeah, I asked this proper holy dude once, Radhanath Swami. He's a sort of high up Hare Krishna dude. He's what you want. He's got a shaved head. He's dressed in a blanket. It's the sort of person I like getting information from. I said to him, "Do you still experience jealousy, lust?" He said, "Yes." I go, "Well, what do you do with that? Having been a Swami for 40 years, having hundreds of thousands of followers, not on Instagram neither, followers laying down prostrate on the floor when he goes by." That's when I realised, there's further to go than show business then. Never mind asking for an autograph, lay down flat on your face, throw flowers where I'm walking. I asked him, "Do you still feel these things? Jealousy, envy, lust?" He said, "Yeah." I go, "What do you do with that?" He says, "It reminds me I need to move closer to God." So me, if I'm feeling envy, I was taught by one of my teachers, envy is me projecting my unrealized potential onto another. So every time I feel envy, I don't think, "Damn you, Benedict Cumberbatch." I think, what is it that wants to be done that I'm not doing? What is it that I'm not doing? You see, there's a degree of trust in these feelings, a kind of a, may I say, Rumi-esque acceptance that envy will visit, that jealousy will visit, that lust will visit, and we treat them as guests with something to say. Now, because I know I'm still crazy, I don't come up with my own policy of how to respond to lust, because my policy for responding to lust was not ultimately helpful. So but if I consult, as we discussed in step 5 with another person, I'm feeling this, then we can usually discover that there is some unheard quality. There's something trying to be realized. The whole point of recovery is there is another person trying to be born. Someone's trying to be born and you're getting in the way of it. You're getting in the way of it. You're telling it, in my case, "Look, shut up, you want drugs. Shut up, you want fame. Shut up, you want sex." And that is not what I want. This is not what we are here to do. We're here to do something else. We're here to do something else. None of this is real.